get prepared, okay?
I need you to position out here.
It's okay, don't run, just take your time.
Yes. I need everyone up here. Come on, please position yourself. We might be going into interception. We have an unverified vessel right next to us with a platform. That might be the vessel coming from Israel. Please put on your life vests.
All right, everyone, don't forget to breathe. Deep breaths. We got this.